Suppose a firm with marginal cost of $1 serves one type of consumer with inverse demand given by price equals 9 minus 2Q. It's for a single consumer. If the firm charges the profit maximizing two-part price, what is the fixed fee? Well, let's graph this to help us understand what we're trying to solve for. We can graph our inverse demand, P equals 9 minus 2Q, as a downward sloping straight line. We can graph marginal cost as a horizontal line because it's constant at $1. Notice that our marginal cost is our per unit fee. So on a test, if he gives us this information and he asks for our per unit fee in two-part pricing, know that it's the marginal cost. Now the fixed fee is this yellow triangle. And the reason we charge a fixed fee is to capture all of the consumer surplus. So this is just one way of capturing all the consumer surplus, two-part pricing. Now, how do we solve for that yellow triangle? Well, we need these 2 points. We already have 1 point at a price of $1, which is our marginal cost. We need these 2 red points to solve for the area of that triangle. Let's take this first intersection, which is the inverse demand intersecting the y-axis. That happens at a quantity of 0. So we can plug in 0 for our Q and solve for price to be equal to 9. That's one of our points. Let's look at this second point. This second point happens where the line P equals 1, which is our marginal cost, which is a straight line intersecting at $1, and P equals 9 minus 2Q, which is our inverse demand. That point happens where they cross, so we can set them equal to solve. Doing this, and doing some algebra, we divide through by -2, and we find that our Q star, in this case, is 4 units. So now that we've solved for our 3 crucial points, we can solve for the area of that triangle. Remember that area of a triangle is just 1/2 base times height. Plugging in our base of 4 units, which is 0 to 4, and plugging in our height of $8, which is $9 minus $1, we can solve for the area of this triangle, which is our fixed fee, which is $16.